North winds around 5 miles an hour. 5 miles an hour. Friday, sunny, cool with highs in the lower 50s. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, eastern Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, Clay County in northern Texas, northeastern Archer County in northern Texas, eastern Wichita County in northern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cache to near Comanche down to 4 miles southeast of Petrolia to 7 miles northwest of Newport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wichita Falls, Lawton, Duncan, Burt Burnett, Anadarko, Marlow, Henrietta, Walters, Warrega, Cache, Elgin, Comanche, Apache, Geronimo, Rush Springs, Bray, Fletcher, Cyril, Gramfield, and Temple. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current